Airfix Aircraft Mystery Box. Let's see what you get on the 17th of February in it, 2022. We've got a Supermarine Spitfire Mark 5, a P51 Mustang, and a English Electric Lightning F2A. As you can see, there are your two smaller style kits, and here we've got the starter set. Quite a good starter set. It looks brilliant, this one. I love the colours of it. I mean, just look at it. Fantastic. It's a skill level 2. You've got normal 1 point for your Airfix Club member if you use them. Collect them up. You've got a couple of brushes, 6 paints, and your glue with this one. And the brushes are not that bad. I've used them quite a few times. There is better, I'll be honest with you, but they're not bad. Your Supermarine Spitfire Mark 5C, and this box is chocker. It really is. Skill level 2 again, 1 flying hour. Yes, it looks nice. You can feel how much kit's in here because it's bulging the box. But yeah, very nice. And the last one is your North American P51D Mustang. And this one's a decent looking kit. I've not opened the box, so I don't know what's in it, but I've seen a couple of videos on it before, and it always seems to come out quite well when people have made it. I do like the colour markings on it, so that kind of helps. But yeah, I'm really impressed. The total price for the cheapest I can get these kits is £36.23. Airfix selling them at £45.97 individually. It's not a bad price. So mystery box is £22.99. You're saving £22.98. You're getting a pretty damn decent deal really at 50% off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Should be building one of these pretty soon and all. And I'll try and do a review on 1 or 2 of them as well. See you later.